मैं वही हूँ जो आपको ट्रिग्नोमेट्री करवा रही थी, एक्सरसाइज 8.1। और मेरा ख्याल है कि मैंने 4th क्वेश्चन मैं करवा रही थी, तो आई विल स्टार्ट टुडे अगेन फ्रॉम द 4th क्वेश्चन, ताकि पूरा करवा दूँ। तो लेट मी स्टार्ट। Question 4 is given 15 cot A. It will be better if you write here given 15 cot A is equal to 8. To find what we have to find? To find sin A and sec A. नो बच्चों, मैंने आपको कहा था कि हमें सबसे पहले ये लिख लेना चाहिए द रफ वर्क में। सो एस सम पीपल हैव कर्ली ब्राउन हेयर टिल पेंटेड ब्लैक। मेरा ख्याल है आपको ये लाइन याद हो गई होगी, तो इससे हमें बड़ा इजी हो जाता है रेशियोज, टी रेशियोज लेनी। सम पीपल हैव एस इज इक्वल टू पी ओवर एच, कर्ली ब्राउन हेयर सी इज इक्वल टू बी ओवर एच, टी इज इक्वल टू पी ओवर बी, cot is the reciprocal of tan, so it will be b over p. Sec is the reciprocal of cos, so it comes to h over b, and cosec is the reciprocal of sin, h over p. This I already taught to you. Now I have written this over this side, it will save your time, and जब आप पेपर करें या अपने सम्स करें तो similarly in a similar way you are to put a margin over here and write this thing that I have written there. ओके ये आपका टाइम बहुत सेव करेगा, क्योंकि ये कोई क्रैमिंग तो होती नहीं मैथ्स में। क्रैमिंग सोशल स्टडीज़ की तरह क्रैम तो करना नहीं है। तो इतनी अपनी रेशियोज हमने लिख ली, तो हमने जल्दी से, बजाय इसके कि हम 2 मिनट के लिए सोचते रहें, बेटर ये होगा जहाँ से देखें और यहाँ लिख लें। ओके, इट विल सेव योर टाइम। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, सेक थीटा इज इक्वल टू 13 ओवर question number 4, 15 cot A is equal to 8. I have written there to find sin A and sec A. In case in the question it is written here to find, so write here given to find, and then you will write here solution. Or in case you are asked to find to prove something, so you will write given and then to prove. Now when we write to find, so I will write here solution. और अगर आप कहेंगे टू प्रूव, देन यू विल राइट हियर प्रूफ नेचुरली। गिवन टू फाइंड, बिकॉज इन द बुक इट इज गिवन टू फाइंड, तो टू फाइंड साइन ए एंड सेक ए। टू फाइंड के लिए मैंने आपको क्या कहा, यहां लिख दोगे सॉल्यूशन। और इन केस टू प्रूव लिखा है तो यू विल राइट हियर प्रूफ, तो बेटर इट विल बी। बड़ा अच्छा पिक्चर लगेगी आपके क्वेश्चन की अटेम्प्ट करने की। सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज 15 cot A इज इक्वल टू 8। सॉल्यूशन 15 cot A इज इक्वल टू 8, therefore cot A इज इक्वल टू 8 over 15। Cot A is equal to 8 over 15. Now I'll draw a triangle over here, right triangle. Now since the angle, acute angle A has been taken, so at this place I'll write A. Now 15 cot A, 15 cot A, so it is A. And it is a right triangle, right angled at point B. And this is C. Now 15 cot A is equal to 8, therefore cot A is equal to 8 over 15. Now you know what is cot A. Remember, इतना तो मैंने कहा था याद नहीं कर सकते हो आप, तो cot A आपने यहाँ लिखा हुआ है, जल्दी से देख लो। cot is equal to B over P, तो it implies B over P is equal to 8 over 15. What does it mean? If base is 8, then P is equal to 15. So you can write here, or you can suppose B is equal to 8x, P is equal to 50, therefore P is equal to 15x. Or in place of that, you can write here simply without mentioning the units. You can write directly B is equal to 8, base is equal to 8, and perpendicular is equal to 15. And now I tell you one thing, in such like questions of trigonometry, सबसे पहले आप ये देखा करो कि हमारी ट्रायंगल में तीनों साइड्स हमें पता होनी चाहिए. नो हमें यहाँ हाइपोटेन्यूज नहीं पता, एसी नहीं पता, तो एसी पहले निकाल लो, फिर रेशियोज लो जो पूछी गई हैं. नो व्हाट इज एसी इक्वल टू? नेचुरली यू नो बाय पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, एसी इज इक्वल टू सबसे लंबी साइड होती है ये, तो इन दोनों का स्क्वायर ऐड करते हैं तो ये स्क्वायर आता है. इट मीन्स ए बी स्क्वायर प्लस बी सी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ए सी स्क्वायर. ए बी स्क्वायर AC square minus AB square is equal to BC square. AC square minus BC square is equal to AB square. ये square plus ये square is equal to ये square. ये square minus ये square is equal to ये square. और ये square minus ये square is equal to ये square. Now since these two sides are given over here, so I can find this by Pythagoras theorem. So you will write here, and it is better. It will be better in case you write yourself by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, AC is equal to AB square plus BC square whole square root. Now, what is AB length? AB is equal to 8 square, plus no need to write the units. BC is equal to 15, so it will be 15 square whole under root. Now 8 into 8 will be 64, and 15 into 15 will be 225 whole square root. So what is the sum of these two? 4 plus 5 will be 9, 2 plus 6 will be 8, and 2 under root of 289, and that is 17. So 17, what units you have to write there? 17 only, because no units have been given to you, so you can write here 17. Or in case you assume it as let 8 and 15, the ratio is given, let B is equal to 8x, P is equal to 15x, then you will write here 17x. Now, what we are to find? Sin A. Now, sin A, what is sin equal to? Look from there, P over H. Now, how much is, you can write under it to save space. I will write on this line only. So, P, what is the value of P? P is equal to perpendicular is equal to 15. So, it will come to 15 over hypotenuse. How much hypotenuse? It is 15 over 17. Now, number 2, sine, and second is sec K. So, sec K is equal to, what is sec equal to? H over B. So, how much is the hypotenuse? It is hypotenuse 17 over base. How much is the base? 8. So, in the end again you can write sin A. Hence, sin A is equal to like this. I will tell you in one question only. Hence, number 1. Sin A is equal to 15 over 17. Number 2, sec A is equal to 17 over 8. And here you can put the brackets and write your answer. Now, question number 5. In question number 5 is given sec theta is equal to 13 over 12. Calculate all other trigonometric ratios. Given sec theta, no name of the triangle is given. Neither ABC nor PQR, so we can give any name we like. लेकिन sec theta, sec लिख के theta angle we have to give, acute angle we have to show that it is theta. So given sec theta is equal to 13 over 12. given. Sec theta is equal to 13/12. All t ratios. Now, what is given? Sec theta is equal to 13/12. So, first of all, I'll draw again a right triangle. No name of the triangle is given, so I can give it any name. A, B, C. I am taking a triangle ABC, right angled at B, and point A, where angle A is, I am showing that it is equal to angle theta, because इन्होंने mention किया theta, तो I am writing here theta. I can write here or here, लेकिन it will be better अगर हम यहाँ लिख लें, क्योंकि इसके सामने में परपेंडिकुलर जल्दी नजर आता है और बेस जल्दी नजर आता है, हाइपोटेन्यूज जल्दी नजर आता है. ओके, नो ऑल टी रेशियोज वी आर टू फाइंड, सो आई विल राइट हियर. नाउ टू फाइंड करना है, तो मैंने अभी आपको कहा था प्रूव करना हो तो हम प्रूफ लिखेंगे, फाइंड करना है तो आई विल राइट हियर सॉल्यूशन. Sec theta is equal to 13/12. Now what is sec theta equal to? H/B. (13/12). Now H/B, थीटा इज हेयर. थीटा के लिए ये एंगल है अगर थीटा, तो बताइए हाइपोटेन्यूज इसका कौन सा होगा? ये वाला. सो हाइपोटेन्यूज इज 13. आई राइट हियर 13. एंड बी इज बेस इज 12. Now, which side you are to find? I told you कि इन सम्स में हमें सबसे पहले सारी लाइंस की लेंथ पता होनी चाहिए. अगर एक साइड नहीं है तो उससे पहले फाइंड कर लो बाय पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, नो प्रॉब्लम. Now, this is the hypotenuse, this is the base, and perpendicular, of course, you can find yourself. So, perpendicular base, BC is equal by Pythagoras theorem, you can write here. I'll not waste so much of the time. So, you can write here by Pythagoras theorem. BC is equal to AC square hypotenuse square minus base square AB square. Or you can write first BC. BC is equal to, your perpendicular BC is equal to HYP hypotenuse square minus base square. So whole under root. Now it will come equal to AC square 13 square. And how much is AB? 12 square. So on solving, 13 into 13 is 169, 12 into 12 is 144, under root of subtraction of 169 minus 144, 9 minus 4 will be 5, 6 minus 4 will be 2, and 1 minus 1 will be of course 0, is equal to under root of 25. And what is under root of 25? Equal to 5. 5 units. You have to write here units only. No units have been given to you. Now, what we are to find? All t ratios. All t ratios. One ratio has been given to you. All the other 5 remaining ratios you are to find. Now, number 1, sec theta has been given. First is sin theta. Sin theta is equal to, this is theta, so I'll write here theta. In case no angle is given to you, no angle has been mentioned, so you can write here sine A. So sine theta is equal to, what is sine equal to? P over H. So how much is P now? 5 units क्या निकला था? BC. So I'll write here BC. Now P over H, how much is P? Perpendicular is 5. So it will be 5 over hypotenuse is 13. Number 2, cos theta. Cos theta is equal to B over H. How much is the base? 12. How much is the hypotenuse? 13. So number 3, tan theta. And tan theta is equal to P over B. How much is P? P is 5. And how much is B? Base is 12. So it will be this much. Now, what is given? Sec theta. So we have to find now the fourth ratio, cot theta. And I told you cot theta is the reciprocal of tan. Tan and cot are, tan is the reciprocal of cot and cot is the reciprocal of tan. Sine is the reciprocal of cosec and cosec is the reciprocal of sine. Cos is the sec is the reciprocal of cos and cos is the reciprocal of sec. Now what we have to find? Cot theta. Number 1, sine, cos and tan, 3 ratios. Cot and 3 ratio tan theta we have found out. Now cot theta is equal to B over P. Or you can directly take the converse of tan theta. It will be 12 over 5. How much is B? B is 12. And how much is hypotenuse? How much is the perpendicular? It is 5. So cot theta. Next is the sec theta. It is already given. So its remaining will be the cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to, what is cosec equal to? H over B, or cosec is the reciprocal of sine. So it will be 13 over 5. Directly you can write there. So after giving all the ratios again, you can put the brackets there and write their answer. Okay. It is given if cot theta is equal to 7 over 8. Cot theta is equal to 7 over 8. So evaluate two parts. You will write yourself now. Given cot theta is equal to 7 over 8. To find or to evaluate part 1 and part 2, you can write yourself of course. Now part 1, first of all I will take part 1. Now part 1 is 1 plus sine theta over 1 minus sine theta, 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta over 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. This is part 1. Given cot theta is equal to 7 over 8, we are to find part 1, this is part 1, and part 2 is, I'll write here, second part is cot square theta. Cot square theta. So part 1, 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta. You know this is a plus b into a minus b over a plus b into a minus b. You know the formula, algebraical identity हम use कर सकते हैं. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So first term square minus second term square, it comes equal to 1 minus sine square theta over 1 minus cos square theta. And you know 1 minus sine square theta is equal to cos square theta. And 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sine square theta. And cos square theta over sine square theta is equal to cot square theta. Now, cot square theta, you can substitute the value now of cot. What is cot equal to? This is 7 over 8. Cot theta is given 7 over 8. So, cot theta is given 7 over 8. So over 7, directly you can write here 7 over 8 square. So what it will come equal to? 7 into 7, 49 over 8 into 8, 64. Because cot theta, it is given to you 7 over 8, so it will be 7 over 8 whole square, 49 over 64 dash dash dash, first answer. Number 2, we have to find again in second part cot square theta, and cot square theta you have already found out the value over here. Cot square theta is equal to 49 over 64. So you can write directly here 49 over 64 from here. It is 49 over 64. So this is the second value. So both are these the answers. Now let me repeat it. Cot theta is equal to 7 over 8 given. 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta over 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. We are to find. Number 2, cot square theta we are to find. The 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, it is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Why? You can write here by using algebraical identity a plus b is equal into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So 1 minus sin square it will come equal to, and it will come equal to 1 minus cos square. And you know 1 minus sin square is equal to cos square, and 1 minus cos square is equal to sin square. Because I think you will study afterwards, लेकिन आपने जब अपने पेपर देने हैं तो तब तो आपने सारा पढ़ा होगा. तो you can write here 1 minus sin square is equal to cos square, and 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square, and cos square over sin square, cos square over sin square, cos over sin, it is equal to what? Cos over sin is equal to cot b over p है ना. तो so sin over cos is equal to cot, therefore cos square over sin square is equal to cot square. So what is the value of cot square then? Cot square is equal to 7 over 8, so it will come equal to 7 over 8 whole square. 7 into 7 will be 49, 8 into 8 will be 64. And in the second portion it is asked what is the value of cot square theta. Cot square theta is again here the same value you can write 49 over 64. So both the values are the same for part 1 and part 2. Now I tell you by second method also you can solve this question. Cot theta is equal to 7 over 8. So you can write here cot theta 7 over 8. This is theta. And what is cot equal to? Cot is equal to, from here you can see base. So it will be 7 and it will be 8. Now you can find AC because in a right triangle I asked you कि भाई हमें तीनों sides का लिए निकालनी चाहिए. AC is equal to this square plus this square whole square root. So 7 7s are 49 से 8 into 8 will be 64. दोनों को प्लस कर लो और उसका अंडर रूट लिख लो. तो सेकंड मेथड से आप डायरेक्टली पुट करके यू कैन फाइंड द आंसर. ओके, बाय सेकंड मेथड ऑफ कोर्स यू विल ट्राई योरसेल्फ. सीधे आपने वैल्यूज पुट कर देनी है और निकाल के देखोगे यू विल गेट द सेम आंसर 49 over 64. यू विल सॉल्व इट टुडे, और अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो यू कैन गिव मी द कमेंट्स, आई विल सॉल्व फॉर यू टुमारो. ओके. नाउ डियर स्टूडेंट्स, मैंने आपको कहा था कि कुछ एक्सरसाइजेज के मैं सारे क्वेश्चंस आपको करा दूंगी सो दैट आपको प्रैक्टिस हो जाए कि कैसे करने हैं. फिर इसके बाद देखना आपने खुद ही कहना है हमने तो ये नहीं करना. कमेंट्स दे दोगे आप कि 1 2 5 में से 1 सम कर दो, 5 में से 2 कर दो, लाइक दिस. अब मैं 1 2 3 एक्सरसाइजेज के तो सारे सम्स आपको एक एक अच्छी तरह से समझा रही हूँ. ये आपको मुश्किल इसलिए लगते हैं क्योंकि इसमें कीन ऑब्जर्वेशन चाहिए. ये नहीं है क्रैमिंग तो चलेगी नहीं यहाँ बिल्कुल. अगर साइन कोई आपने रेशो ली है तो परपेंडिकुलर ओवर बेस है या कुछ है, और परपेंडिकुलर की जगह आपने बेस ओवर परपेंडिकुलर की वैल्यू डाल दी तो सारा सम गलत. ठीक है, तो we have to be very very cautious here, very careful here. Okay, now I am doing question number 3. It is 3 if 3 cot A is equal to 4. 3 cot A is equal to 4. So then we have to check whether this is equal to this. You will write here given 3 cot A is equal to 4. To check, यहाँ लिख देना to check. ये तो बुक में से देखो लिखा तो हुआ है, तो डायरेक्टली यू कैन राइट योरसेल्फ गिवन 3 cot A is equal to 4. तो इधर लिखना टू चेक वेदर 1 minus tan square over 1 minus tan square A over 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. whether it is equal to this or not. ये आपको चेक करना है. Now I'll find the value of right hand side, I'll find the value of left hand side, then I'll see whether if both the sides give the same value, so then it is proved. ये कह दोगे कि left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence checked. तो अब given क्या है? Given is 3 cot A is equal to 4. So cot A will be 4/3. Now what is cot A? Cot you can see from here, in no time you can find. Cot is equal to B/P. So B/P is equal to 4/3. Now अब मैंने आपको ये भी कहा था कि 4/3 base is 4. So I write here AB as 4 and perpendicular is 3. So it is 3. So in this triangle, right angled at A, since A has been mentioned over here, therefore I am taking this point as A. Now, no third length is given to you. You will find it yourself. By which theorem? By Pythagoras theorem. Yes. By Pythagoras theorem, you will write here AC is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square whole square root. So how much is AB? AB is 4. 4 square plus BC is 3 square whole square root. 4 4s are 16 plus 3 3s are 9 whole square root is equal to 25 whole square root is equal to 5. No units mentioned there, therefore you will write here only 5, or you can write here units. Now, for my convenience or your convenience, I will write here 5. It is not. Now, ये क्योंकि ब्लैक बोर्ड इतने बड़े बड़े क्लास स्कूल के ब्लैक बोर्ड की तरह तो है नहीं, तो ये 3 cot A is equal to 4 वाला तो मैंने आपको करके दिखा दिया, A से फाइंड कर दी. I have written here 5. Now, अब मैं इसको मिटा देती हूँ तो मेरे को ज़रा करना इजी हो जाएगा, जगह मिल जाएगी अच्छी तरह. So AC is equal to 5 now. Now what we are to prove in question number 8, we are to check whether 1 minus tan square A plus 1 over 1 plus tan square A left hand side is equal to right hand side or not. Now I'll take first left hand side. So let me take the first left hand side first. Left hand side is 1 minus tan square A over 1 plus tan square A. So 1 minus tan square. What is tan equal to? 3/4. So it will be 3/4. What is tan equal to? P/B. 3/4 square. Only 3/4 square. Tan square it is. So over 1 plus tan square, 3/4 square. 1 plus 3/4 square. So it will come equal to 1 minus 3 into 3 will be 9/4 into 4, 16 over. It will be 1 plus 9/16. और ये इक्वल्स का साइन बिल्कुल ये मिड में आने चाहिए. So it is equal to 16 minus 1, 16 into 1, 16 minus 9, 7/16 over 16 ones are 16 plus 9, 25/16. So you will divide this numerator by the denominator, of course. So 7/16 into 16/25. It will give you the answer 7/25. Now, this is the value, this is the answer for left hand side. Now, I'll solve for right hand side also and see whether they are equal. So, right hand side. Now, I am drawing this line over here. I have taken the left hand side this and right hand side this side. You can also do in the same manner, or you can write below right hand side is equal to. It's your own will, you can write in any way. Now right hand side is equal to, right hand side is in question number 8, cos square A minus sin square A. Now what is the value of cos? B/h. How much is B? Base. Base is 4. So it will be 4/5 whole square. Minus sin. Sin is P/h. So it will be 3/5 whole square. So 4 into 4 will be 16 over 25. 3 into 3 will be 9 over 25. So it will give you the answer. 25 will be the LCM, so 16 minus 7, or you can write here 25 first. So it will be 16 minus 9 is equal to 7 over 25. So this is the value for right hand side and this is the value for left hand side. Both are equal. 7 over 25 is equal to 7 over 25 is equal to 7 over 25. So therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. So what you are to find in question number 8. So whether this is equal to this, so you can write in the end, yes, 1 minus times tan square a over 1 plus tan square a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. Now students,